How to download WhatsApp status on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Updates located at the bottom, which is beside Chats and Communities. Simply click on Updates and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on My Status, which is at the top. After you click on My Status, you'll find all the status you have posted. Click on the one you want to save. After you simply click on the one you want to save, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right. Then click on Save, which is below forward. After you have clicked on Save, the photo or video you posted on WhatsApp status will be saved on your gallery. And this is how to download WhatsApp status on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.